Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see here, I'm here with JV again. We're gonna be doing a video on Windows 11. So, JV, you're currently using Windows 10, right, on the Asus laptop?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. So, JV, on Windows 10 and then Windows 11, there are actually a lot of different features. For example, do you see this Windows logo here?
Yeah, I see the Windows logo.
Yeah. Um, Usually, if you're using Windows 10 or any version below, the Windows logo is actually at the bottom left corner. Am I right?
For this computer,
Yeah, for the one you're using.
yep, the Windows is at the bottom left.
Yeah. So in Windows 11, Microsoft decided to make a very sudden change to decide that Windows 11, they're going to make some differences and put it in the center. So yeah, um, actually, people say that this looks a bit like Mac OS, which I disagree with, but I feel it personally. It looks more like Chrome OS, and I'm just gonna pull up a picture of Chrome OS here, because why not? Oh yes, and if you cannot already tell, this is the new split screen function. So you can split screen into one quarter here like this as well. And yeah, now we're just gonna
By the way, Isaiah spends a lot of money on this stuff.
okay, don't really have to say it that way, but yeah. Anyways, you're just gonna make this full screen here. You're gonna go under images, and as you can see here, this is a Chromebook. And no, that's Windows. This is Chrome OS. Yeah, so it really did take on the look of Chrome OS, and it's quite similar after the Windows 11 update. So yeah, okay. So now we are gonna go into settings and take a look. Okay, as you can tell, this is my VMware virtual machine, and under personalizations, this is the custom theme slash the one it came with. It's light mode here. So if you want to update, you can change it. It's very customizable. I mean, Windows is always more customizable than Mac OS and iOS. I mean, I shouldn't be comparing iOS, but yeah, it can also change to a lot of other designs like this one as well. Yeah. Okay, now we're just going to stick with this for now. And now we are going to go under gaming. Now it has a lot more users for the Xbox game bar, where you can change the graphics because in the newest Windows 11 release, they decided to add HDR. So HDR, or should I say auto HDR. So halfway through the game, it will also decide to turn on and turn off. And yeah. And now let's just leave this on our desktop as the top right hand corner. So yeah, this is one of the features where you can split screen like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna open a few more apps so you guys can see how it actually works better. Okay, now we're just gonna stick this to the left side, and we're gonna get File Explorer to this side, and get the display for this side and this. So yeah, you see this, you can split up to 4 screens. And according to Microsoft, if you have 2 monitors and you unplug it while split screening, it will save the exact orientation when you plug the monitor back in. Yeah. Okay. And do take note, this is not the leaked version. This is the already released one. And I'm just going to drag this Zoom thing over there. But yeah, okay, we're just going to close all this now. This is the Microsoft Store. It is still more or less the same until the Android update comes. So in Windows 11, Javion, Microsoft released a feature for you to have Android apps on Windows, which is a great idea. It really is. But you must have a TPM 2.0 compatible motherboard. And if you do not know what's TPM 2.0, it's a Trusted Platform Module 2.0. So yeah, see, as you can see here, it's a necessity for Windows 11, but this is not what it says. It's just telling you what's Trusted Platform Module. Yeah. If I'm not wrong, this is not required for Windows 10. It's only required for Windows 11. But yeah, and after the release of Windows 11, they actually released a new thing called Windows 365, which not necessarily useful, but if you actually need it, sure, you can use it. Not Office 365, by the way, it's this cloud PC thing that they say is going to release soon. Just gonna no, not like positive. Okay, sure. Yeah, there's Windows 365 Business and Windows 365 Enterprise, which I really do not see the difference in. But yeah, this is the newer Windows 11. Okay, and one of the major differences, which I wouldn't really count major, is that the taskbar, the place where you search, not the taskbar, sorry, the search engine here, it is no longer part of the Windows menu. So yeah, you have to click this instead, so it wouldn't actually load as fast. You have to click, but yeah. Anyways, now we are just going to do a system restart and show you how the full experience really is. Okay. And if you didn't really know, most of the things, like whenever it reloads in, it shows the time now on the screen itself, as you can see. Just wait for VMware to boot Windows 11 first. As you can tell, this is the new Windows 11 logo from Windows 10. Windows 10, if I'm not wrong, it's either, and there's the new boot chime. But yeah, for Windows 10, it's curved a bit to the left or right. But yeah, anyways, this is Windows 11 and the clock and time is here, which is a new feature, I guess, but didn't really like it. And yeah, this is my account, so I'm just gonna log in quickly. Okay. Okay, that was seamless. It was very quick to log in, unlike Windows 10. I mean, I used Windows 10 before I updated this painfully, but yeah. And a lot of other apps.
Yeah, it took him 1 hour to at least download.
Yeah, it took 1 hour. I mean, Windows updates are kind of
Same
painful.
idea.
Yeah, Windows updates take very long, but trust me on this. If you do a Mac OS update, it's gonna take you 5 hours. And I'm not even kidding. The first time it took me 5 hours over 10 gigabit Ethernet because the Mac just couldn't reach its full potential. And I'm not even kidding. The router's right next to it, even though it's over wireless. I tried wireless and wired, like I said, 10 gigabit as well. But yeah, now you can, get started. This is the new menu if you want to actually follow it. But yeah, there's no real reason for it. Yes, and obviously we can't forget one of the most important features, which is Microsoft Teams, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is a link you can join from iOS, Android, or a Mac, which is very interesting as it's a very new feature that, if I'm not wrong, Apple is also implying on their FaceTime. So we do not really know whether it's copied or anything. Okay, so we have tips here. I guess we can just scroll through and see what they have to offer. Windows 11. This is the developers edition. So do take note, not all the features are here yet. So yeah. Okay, now we can use a pen. If I'm not wrong, this is only for a touchscreen. So yeah, we are not using a touchscreen today. Just gonna close this, and I do not know. I don't know whether they actually added Teams yet, because if I'm not wrong, when they said they added Teams, it was somewhere here. But let me just check. We have added it. Okay. No, they haven't added it yet. But yeah.
The
This,
purpose of this tool.
yeah, what?
Like, what's Microsoft Teams?
Oh, Javier, do you know Zoom?
Zoom.
Yeah. Google Meet.
Isn't Zoom the app we're using right now?
Yeah, exactly. Microsoft Teams is actually the exact same thing, except that it's owned by Microsoft instead.
And then isn't it like the same,
You can say it's the same, but they are both different companies, and they cannot let Zoom take over the market in this area. They actually want it so that they could be like, have a fight against Zoom, so they can actually be better than them. And in this case, when they take over Zoom, like, I don't know, some schools use Teams as well, but when you use Teams, right, it's like a competitor for Zoom. So Zoom will always be the one leading. And if I'm not wrong, Microsoft Teams is actually older than Zoom. I do not really know. We can check here. Yeah, Microsoft Teams. If I'm not wrong, it's released in 2012 or 2013, or I could be wrong in both cases, but yeah, it doesn't even want to tell me. Oh no, it's launched in 2017. Okay, so yeah, it's launched in 2017. But Zoom, if I'm not wrong, it could be released earlier, and they also have Skype. So do you use Skype, Javier?
I used to. Now I just use Zoom.
Yeah, so you can also use Skype. It's like same as, yeah, they're all under the same category of voice calling.
I know what Skype does actually. I used it before.
Yeah. So yeah, this is some of the features, and there are a lot of other pre-installed apps like Adobe Photoshop, but oh no, it's not even. Wait, give me a moment.
We're cleaning those.
I'm not. Okay, so I think if I'm not wrong, Microsoft didn't add these apps. They made it so that when you want to use it, you click on it, they'd start installing. You know, I'm never gonna trust Microsoft anymore. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so those apps aren't there. If you want them, please make sure go to the Microsoft Store and install them before using them. So yeah, that's some of the new features in Windows 11. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and smash the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Don't
Bye-bye.
destroy your devices, and the next video might feature me talking about another coding language or HTML or anything. Okay.
Okay, bye.